It is February 12th, 10:28 EST. This is where oil is currently. We're monitoring for a pullback on oil, knowing better that we do not want to touch oil anywhere near decision point 2. I am projecting after a pullback on oil, today oil will make it to reversal zone 102. I know better not to trade oil. The expectation on oil are 2.5 ME. Let's see what oil will do in the next few minutes. As I assure you, it's going to get very freaky, reminding you the importance of not trading oil if you are a newbie. News is out on oil. Let's see what it came out as. What did we learn? We have way more oil than we need. It is a very bearish news. If we have more supply when we need, oil should collapse. Let's see what oil will do. Very actually slow moves for oil typically. We discussed that we wanted oil to push further down, correct? This is where it will get very interesting. We knew better not to buy close to this resistance level. And what is oil doing right now? Is it taking a pause at decision point 1? Is that possible? Oil is dancing between the levels. I will allow oil 4 more minutes of dance. We knew not to buy at decision point 2. We are monitoring 3 more minutes to see if this pullback has any meaning. This is a reminder, know your levels. Don't ever trade into these levels. Here. Very fascinating news trade day on oil. The very first effort I had on oil had been met with incredible resistance at decision point 2. This had been very fascinating day, very slow moves. We had incredibly bearish news, and yes, bearish news had respected this level and hadn't been able to break through this level. I am short on oil. I'm trading very carefully. This is my first target. This is trade number 5 this week on oil. S&P trade number 4 this week. S&P reached my first target, trailing very carefully. Trail 1814. Is this clear? Nothing subjective, everything precise, pure and simple. You are witnessing the precision of Alpha Wave Trader method that involves only pure price action for entry and Fibonacci for exits. 5 trades on oil, 1 negative, 4 trades on S&P, 0 negative. Total trades this week, 9. Decision point 1 is what caused this massive struggle and very slow moves. Finally, the short trend made up its mind. This is the first time in many months we witness a confirmation with the price and fundamentals. Struggle went on between the levels for the entire hour. So, let's see what the price will do very close to reversal zone. You're witnessing the importance of decision point 1, the end of the bullish correction. I spelled out this level way before, long time ago. I spelled out this level way before, long time ago, 40 minutes ago. We knew price will struggle here immensely. Price took about 20-minute detour at 163. Due to ratios, we can't respect that level for profit taking unless price comes to decision point 2. That's the power of pure price and Fibonacci, and that's what Alpha Wave Trader method is. What you're witnessing currently on decision point 1 is the exact same thing you witnessed where Apple collapsed from on monthly. Clear? No speculation, no subjective thinking, precise and pure. Guess what? Moving my stop on oil to break even outside of break even. Guess what? I expect buyers to step in very, very close to reversal zone. Oh no, what happened? Short on oil reached the reversal zone. Let's see, that's where it's gonna get interesting. To the tick. The second target. This is why I love trading. It confirms that nothing in this world is random. Nothing whatsoever. Look around you. The same symmetry that you see in everything, I find in price daily, and it never ceases to amaze me. And what I knew a month ago is nothing compared to what I know now. What I will know 1 year from now is million times more than what I know today. Each and every day I spend time with price, it never ceases to amaze me. The symmetry is the magic of the puzzle, that confirming it doesn't matter what instrument, it doesn't matter what time frame, just respect this beautifully symmetrical dance and play by the rules. Very, very precise, very pure, and very clear. Big as a time frame, big as the stops, big as the targets. Nothing in common between S&P 8 range versus oil 21 range versus Apple monthly. But formula remains the same. What instrument speaks to you? What time frame? Do you like to trade oil hourly? Forex weekly? Price dances in the same mesmerizing sequence that never ceases to amaze me. I am trailing oil even closer because I know and I expect bounce at any moment. You are witnessing how for the last 10 minutes S&P and for the last 3 minutes oil respecting this level. This is exact same formula as applies to oil weekly. All the levels drawn in October, and this is where oil reversed from, staging this very beautiful rally. Do you see how predictable this is? The bounce! Isn't this shocking? From reversal zone. Oh no! How predictable! Nowhere to take profits off the table, nowhere to expect reversals, and know what not to enter into. That's simple. No indicator on the planet would tell you that. Price tells you these levels far in advance. Is that clear? S&P sitting very, very pretty, reaching the end of the minor trend. Oil reversing, as expected, reaching 2 targets, which means my trade ended on 21 range after reaching the reversal zone. That's why we moved our stop outside of break-even and we protected the profits. So, very, very fascinating day on oil, once again confirming very important levels in the market structure. But don't be fooled. The buyers are not giving up yet. We're witnessing equal power currently on larger time frames between buyers and sellers. I may actually be taking long, except I just realized we have only 10 minutes left. Oil setting up for very powerful bullish structure. Very, very clearly and very precisely. Okie dokie traders, so I'm adjusting my trail to 165. Here we are, 40 ticks later. This is our third target right here, right now. Precision remains the key. It's very important that these levels to be respected. S&P is sitting very, very pretty. 2 points later, on third trade of the day. Very active day on S&P. So far this week, 4 trades S&P, 5 trades oil, only 1 negative between 9 trades. I'm always open for questions. I'm always open for your emails. Look forward to hearing from you. This is how I close my room. I thank you so much for your time. And remember, respect what price is telling you. And never, ever acquire a position at reversal zone or decision points. Those are the most critical Fibonacci levels that where support and resistance is formed. Doesn't matter what instrument, doesn't matter what time frame, formula remains the same. Adios everybody. Tomorrow I'll be in the room 9:30.